The Trump campaign says they're taking their post-election battle to America's highest court.
Attorney Jenna Ellis tweeting, quote, "The activist judicial machinery in Pennsylvania continues to cover up allegations of massive fraud. We're very thankful to have had the opportunity to present proof and the facts to the PA legislature. On to SCOTUS."
Here with an update on the president's legal strategy, Trump 2020 senior advisor Kayleigh McEnany. Kayleigh, thanks so much for being with us this morning.
Good to join you.
What would you say is the outlook right now within the campaign on the legal strategy going forward, now arriving at the Supreme Court? Is there optimism, pessimism? What does the campaign feel about the prospects of their legal battle?
There's optimism. There will be a petition filed with the Supreme Court. It will be up to the Supreme Court whether to grant certiorari. But two significant developments happened. One late last night, and I heard you guys mention this earlier. There's a separate court case with Representative Mike Kelly in Pennsylvania, and he actually is likely to succeed on the merits of that case in Pennsylvania, alleging that the whole mail-in system was unconstitutional, and he was deemed likely to succeed on the merits. So that will be going up to the Supreme Court there in Pennsylvania. So two cases going on in the state of Pennsylvania and many more across the country.
Kayleigh, I want to ask you about that Third Circuit ruling, because as we look forward, to the Supreme Court, we're all curious as to how the Supreme Court would receive something like this. And, if you look at the ruling, this is from a Trump-appointed judge, obviously, we know, that wrote the opinion. It's pretty tough. It says charges require specific allegations and then proof. We have neither here. Calling an election unfair does not make it so. There's no clear evidence of massive absentee ballot fraud or forgery. And this has been something that has come up repeatedly, right, in conversation, that what is being alleged on Twitter or in press conferences is not being alleged in court and cannot be proven in court via evidence. So what do you expect? First of all, will that change? And secondly, how do you expect the Supreme Court will receive this, given how this particular judge wrote this opinion and what they perceive to have been presented or not been presented in court?
Yeah, Jed, I think this Third Circuit Court judge misunderstood the argument because, look, it's an equal protection argument, the one that we've been making in court, and it says this, that if you were in these 7 blue counties in Pennsylvania, you were given an extraordinary opportunity to fix your mail-in ballot, to cure your ballot, but if you were in the other 60, mainly Republican counties, you didn't get that privilege. That's an equal protection violation. We have a right to ask these questions. We have presented affidavits. There are declarations made as well. So there is evidence there, and it's important for the Supreme Court, we feel, to take a look at this. But